Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Private Limited is proud to confer IPER's Outstanding Performance Award 2021-22 upon Bharat N. Mehta, Founder, Owner and Managing Director, Aquatic Remedies Limited. Bharat Mehta completed his B.Pharm from K.M. Kundanani College of Pharmacy in 1983 under Mumbai University and has also completed a diploma in naturopathy in 2010. In order to understand the pharma world, he served at Noble Pharmaceuticals Nashik for 36 months. His burning entrepreneurship desire resulted in starting of API and bulk drugs trading company known as Aquatic Remedies Private Limited in 1986. In 1996, Bharat Mehta took a life-changing decision and started Aquatic Formulations Private Limited, exporting formulations. Oceanic Technochem Private Limited, a pharma and chemicals export company, started its journey under the visionary leadership of Bharat Mehta in 1998. Envisioning the prospects in the upcoming sector of medical tourism, Bharat Mehta launched broad spectrum service through a medicinal tourism company in 2006, today known as Oceanic Meditreat Private Limited, Mumbai. Bharat took stake in MCW Pharma Indore in 2010 to increase export productivity, which suggests his techno leadership. Bharat Mehta realized the importance of pharmaceutical care and in 2015 started a retail chain of medical shops with an attractive name, Medicine Box Chemist Private Limited. Bharat Mehta took a vital decision in 2017 and made Aquatic Remedies Private Limited as Aquatic Remedies Public Limited Company and took over the ownership of Aquatics Nigeria and investment company Aquatic Impex FIE UAE. Recently in 2023, Bharat Mehta went one step further to become a stakeholder of J.A. Sterline Private Limited Gujarat, an API manufacturing unit. Aquatic Remedies Limited today is one of the fastest growing pharma houses of India, growing at around 25% annually and has achieved turnover of Rs 1,200 crores in 2023. Among the numerous accolades and awards, Bharat Mehta's Aquatic Remedies has received an export award from Pharmexcel, a Times Network Award for Marketing Excellence in 2018 and awarded a 2-star Export House of India, and also was awarded Srimati Indira Gandhi Samman Award by All India Anti-Corruption Committee. Aquatic Remedies Limited was facilitated by Jordan government in recognition for promotion of trade between India and Jordan. Bharat Mehta's Aquatic Remedies Limited today is a promising contender in Indian pharma profession, dealing with APIs and pharmaceutical formulation, nutraceuticals, herbal remedies, exporting pharma products to Africa, Southeast Asia, CIS and Central America. Keeping the Indian culture alive, Mehta's 23 members of the family live together under one roof. Bharat Mehta's social contribution and helping the needy is achieved through the Manas Mandiram Trust, Himanjay Charitable Trust, Jain Alert Group, Shri Ghatkopar Mandal Samaj Utkarsh Trust, Shri Sorat Visa Shimalli Jain Samaj of Mumbai as a trustee. Bharat Mehta is a born leader and is the founder chairman of Mumbai Pharma Association and Pharma K Friends, bringing all pharma friends together to demonstrate the meaning of life. Singing and dancing is Bharat Mehta's juice of life and he is a magnanimous entrepreneur with a Midas touch. Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Private Limited takes great pleasure and pride to bestow IPER's Outstanding Performance Award 2021-22 upon Bharat Mehta for his exemplary contribution in the field of pharmacy and wishes him and Mehta family a very happy and healthy life to build the pharma profession.